Price Analysis 12 fourths, BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, BNB, DOGE, ADA, AVAX, TON, SHIB. Bitcoin, BTC, has been consolidating close to $100,000 for a few weeks, and data indicates that every minor dip is being purchased. According to data from SoSoValue, United States-based spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds witnessed inflows of $676 million on December. 3. Bitcoin Price Analysis. Bitcoin has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern, indicating indecision between the bulls and the bears. Capriol Investments founder Charles Edwards said in a post on X that institutional demand for Bitcoin has gone insane, resulting in 13.5% of all Bitcoin being held by institutions and ETFs. Consolidation near a crucial overhead resistance generally resolves to the upside. However, traders should remain cautious because repeated failures to break above the resistance may tempt short-term bulls to book profits, causing a swift drop. Could Bitcoin's consolidation resolve to the upside or the downside? How are the altcoins expected to behave? Let's analyze the charts of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to find out. The upsloping 20-day exponential moving average, $92,992, and the relative strength index, RSI, in the positive zone indicate the bulls have the edge. A break and close above the triangle increases the possibility of a rally above $100,000. The BTC/USDT pair may rise to $113,331 and, after that, to $125,000. The advantage will tilt in favor of the bears on a break and close below the triangle. That could start a decline to $90,000 and later to $85,000. If the supports crack, the decline could extend to the 50-day simple moving average, $81,543. Ether Price Analysis. Ether turned up from the downtrend line on December 3, indicating that the bulls are trying to flip the level into support. The upsloping moving averages and the RSI near the overbought zone suggest that the path of least resistance is to the upside. The ETH/USDT pair could rise to $4,000 and later to $4,094. Buyers are expected to encounter solid selling at $4,094. This optimistic view will be negated in the near term if the price turns down and breaks below the 20-day EMA, $3,436. Such a move will signal a lack of demand at higher levels. The pair may then slump to the 50-day SMA, $2,991. XRP Price Analysis. XRP has been in a strong uptrend, but the rally stalled at $2.91 on December 3, suggesting profit booking by the bulls. The first support on the downside is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level of $2.28. If the price rebounds off this support, the bulls will make one more attempt to resume the uptrend by pushing the XRP/USDT pair above $2.91. If they can pull it off, the pair could surge toward $3.84. Contrary to this assumption, if the $2.28 support cracks, the pair could fall to the 50% retracement level of $2.09 and later to the 61.8% retracement level of $1.90. A deeper pullback could delay the start of the next leg of the uptrend. Solana Price Analysis. Solana, SOL, turned up from $215 on December 3, indicating that the bulls are fiercely defending the breakout level of $210. The 20-day EMA, $230, has flattened out, and the RSI is just above the midpoint, indicating a possible range formation in the near term. The SOL/USDT pair could swing between $210 and $248 for a few days. A break and close above $248 could open the doors for a rally to $264. The bears are expected to defend the $264 level with all their might because a rally above it could propel the pair to $300. On the downside, a slide below the 50-day SMA, $202, will indicate that the bears have seized control. BNB price analysis. BNB turned up sharply from the 50-day SMA, $615, on December 3 and skyrocketed above the $722 resistance. The bears will try to pull the price back below $722, while the bulls will try to defend it. If the price rebounds off $722, it will signal that bulls have seized control. That increases the likelihood of a rally to the pattern target of $810. Instead, if the price turns down and breaks below $722, it will suggest that the bears are active at higher levels. The BNB/USDT pair may skid to $680 and thereafter to the 20-day EMA, $654. Dogecoin price analysis. Dogecoin rebounded off the support line of the ascending channel pattern on December 3, signaling buying at lower levels. The upsloping moving averages and the RSI in the positive territory indicate that bulls have the upper hand. Buyers will try to push the price toward the resistance of the range, where the bears are likely to step in. If the bounce fails to sustain, it will suggest that the bears are selling on minor relief rallies. That increases the risk of a break below the channel's support line. If that happens, the DOGE/USDT pair could slide to 33 cents and later to the 50-day SMA, 27 cents. Cardano price analysis. The long wick on Cardano's ADA December 3 candlestick shows that the bears aggressively sold the rally above $1.25. A positive sign in favor of the bulls is that they have not ceded much ground to the bears. This suggests that the buyers anticipate the up move to continue. If the price breaks above $1.33, the ADA/USDT pair could surge to $1.50. Conversely, if the price turns down and breaks below $1.14, it will signal that the bulls are losing their grip. The pair could pull back to the 20-day EMA, 96 cents, where the bulls and the bears are likely to witness a tough battle. Related, why is the BNB price up today? Avalanche price analysis. Avalanche, AVAX, surged above the $51 overhead resistance on December 2, indicating that the bulls are in command. The bears tried to pull the price back below $51 on December 3, but the bulls held their ground. This suggests that the bulls are trying to flip the $51 level into support. If they succeed, the AVAX/USDT pair could rally to $60 and subsequently to $65. If bears want to prevent the upside, they will have to swiftly pull the price back below $51. The pair may then slump to the 20-day EMA, $42.63, which is expected to act as a strong support. Toncoin price analysis. Toncoin has started its northward journey toward the resistance of the large $4.44 to $8.29 range. the bears tried to stall the up move by pulling the price to the 20-day EMA, $6.19 on December 3, but the bulls held their ground. There is minor resistance at $7.65, but it is likely to be crossed. The TUN/USDT pair could rally to $8.29, where the bears are again expected to mount a strong defense. The 20-day EMA is the crucial support to watch out for on the downside. A break and close below the 20-day EMA will suggest that the bears are back in the game. The pair may then decline to the 50-day SMA, $5.47. Shiba Inu price analysis. Shiba Inu successfully held the retest of the breakout level from the symmetrical triangle pattern on December 3, indicating a positive sentiment. There is minor resistance at $0.000033. If buyers overcome this barrier, the SHIB/USDT pair could rally to $0.000039. The bears are expected to fiercely defend the level, but if the bulls prevail, the up move could extend to $0.000047. This positive view will be invalidated in the near term if the price turns down and breaks below the 20-day EMA, $0.000026. Such a move will suggest that the breakout above $0.000030 may have been a bull trap. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision.